Today's lesson, our objective is, I can use place value to compare multi-digit numbers. Our success criteria is I will be able to use place value to compare numbers. We've talked about place value charts in the past, but sometimes we might not have a place value chart with us. But that's okay. We can go ahead and make a tic-tac-toe kind of a chart for ourselves. Be sure to make sure you are placing numbers correctly. You're going to start with the ones place value, doing one group of numbers at a time. Let's start with our top number. First, we put a 3 in the ones place value. It is the whole number closest to the right. The numbers are over here that I am working with, so we take our 3 and put it into our ones place value. Next, we put a 6 into the tens place value. It is the next whole number moving to the left. Notice we are staying with the top number of 7,463 and not worrying about the bottom number right now. Next, we put the 4 in the hundreds place value. It is the next whole number moving to the left. Last, we put the 7 in the thousands place value. It is the next whole number moving to the left. Now we're going to start working on our bottom number. So looking at the second number, we put the 9 into the ones place value. Again, that is the whole number on the far right. Now we look at the second number, and the second number is an 8. So we're going to take the 8 and put it into the tens place value. Working on the bottom number, so putting it down at the bottom. The next number is a 5. We put into the next place value, our hundreds place value column. And last, we will put the 7 in the thousands place value. It's the last whole number on the left. So now we have both of our numbers in our chart that we have made. Now we're ready to compare. Because we are comparing the numbers, we want to start looking at the numbers on the left of our chart. We have 7s. These are the same, they're equal, so we're not able to determine which number is bigger based on this first column. So we cross them off and move over to the next column. Here we have a 4 and a 5 in this column in our place value. This is our hundreds place value. We know that 5 is a bigger number than 4. So now we can write out our numbers and compare them, with our top number being 7,463 is less than 7,589. We were able to determine that because of the second number on the left in our hundreds place value. If you write it the other way, that works as well. However, you will have to change your symbol. Because you have 7,589, the 5 is greater than the 4. So you'd have 7,589 is greater than 7,463. Our objective was I can use place value to compare multi-digit numbers. And to determine if we were successful, I will be able to use place value to compare the numbers. So once again, even if we were not to have a place value chart, we can make our own tic-tac-toe board, and just so long as we line those numbers up correctly, then we can make sure that we are eliminating the same number in the place value to determine greater than and less than.